to my channel. So today's video is another Grove haul. You guys know that I really love Grove. I have a problem, but my orders are getting smaller because I need to use what I have. I don't want to, but I need to use what I have. So I'm going to show you guys what I ordered. It is very small, but I still wanted to do a video showing you guys. And if you guys are interested in checking out Grove, I'm going to have my code down below. You guys can use it. I believe the promotion is still that if you spend $20 on the Grove website, you get a 5-piece gift set for free. Guys, it's like a whole Mrs. Meyer's set. So check it out if you guys are interested. And let's just get into this haul video. The first thing that I got is this Mrs. Meyer's soy candle in peppermint. I talk about this in a different video, but I don't know why with their Mrs. Meyer's like holiday sets or limited edition sets, they send a Grove candle, but they don't send the Mrs. Meyer's candle to match the scents, which I always find really weird, but I want everything to match. So I had to get the candle when I saw that it was on the website. It just smells so good. It smells like Christmas. I can't wait to burn this. I think I'm gonna burn this, you may have already seen the video by the time this one goes up. I don't know what order I'm putting these up in, but I'm gonna do a decorate / clean with me video, and I may burn this during that because it just smells really good. Okay, so I have to thank a subscriber for this because I did not know that they had this, and when they put this in the comments, which I don't even know if I've even replied to it yet. I need to reply to my comments. I've been really bad about it this week. But they suggest, or they told me that Caldrea has a hand cream or a hand lotion in the Pear Blossom Agave, which I should have known that they had this because I know they have like the hand soaps. But when they recommended it, I was thinking like a hand cream like you can throw in your bag, you know. But this is still really good. Like I could probably get like a little travel squeezable tube, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, and put this in there to put in my purse because guys, you know I talk about the Pear Blossom Agave all the time. It is my absolute favorite scent of life. Like I almost would say that I like this more than I like apple scents, which is saying a lot because apple scents are my all-time favorite. But just something about the Pear Blossom Agave, guys. You gotta try it if you haven't. So I got the hand lotion because of a subscriber, which I don't even remember her name right now. Like I can't think of it, but thank you if you told me about this because I picked it up because I was like, yes, I need all the Pear Agave, like Pear Blossom Agave scents of everything. It's life. I also picked up another Pear Blossom Agave countertop spray because I'm gonna run out of my other one. I love it so much, and I'm probably gonna like not use it as much during the holiday season or Christmas season because I'm gonna be using peppermint everything. But this, like, once January hits, I just it smells so good, you guys. Like I wish that you could smell it through the camera because no joke, it is my favorite scent. It's so good. Okay, and the last thing that I picked up are these dishwasher detergent packs. I ran out of the kind I was using. I was using the 7th generation lemon scent ones, I think those are the ones. But I wanted to try the Ultra Power Plus ones. And this is in this citrus scent, and it comes in this big thing, and there's 70 of them. So I'm really excited. Hopefully I like it since there are 70 and I need to use them. But this is one of those products that I use like almost daily because I have a lot of dishes to wash. So, you know, but I'm really excited. I ran out of my other, I think I already said that. I ran out of my other one. Ooh, they're like, it's not bad. That was not an oof, that was bad. They're very citrusy, but like the good kind of citrusy. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. I will let you guys know what I think probably in a clean with me video, to be honest, because that's when I talk about most of the cleaning products and how much I love them. So that's everything that I got from this month's Grove box, Grove, whatever we want to call it. Yeah, it was a Grove box. But like, that's everything that I got this month. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Make sure to give them a thumbs up if you love cleaning supplies. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more cleaning videos if you guys like those. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you're notified anytime that I upload and you never miss a video. But that's gonna wrap up today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.